CASA 3 from Trunk Highway 169, Kagama Avenue, all 3.6 miles to the city limits. Pretty significant project, $4 million job. That includes replacing the traffic signals at 3 and 7th Avenue. So that was the project. It's a 50-50 cost share with the city of Grand Rapids. Going east from that intersection, the current road right now is 48 feet wide, so it's extremely wide. And it only has probably about a 4-foot sidewalk. So what we're going to do is pull the south curb limits in 8 feet, narrow the road slightly, and then have a 6-foot boulevard, grass boulevard, and add 2 feet to the sidewalk. So it should really be a good improvement to that corridor. Not only just narrowing that road a little bit, hopefully controlling speeds slightly more, but also provide an appropriate sidewalk and some buffer for any pedestrians.